2021 Ford Bronco Outer Banks Series Sasquatch package, 5-passenger 4x4, one owner here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile vehicle, just a little over 13,000 is all in this one. Antimatter blue metallic with the gray and navy cloth seats. Check out that Warren winch built into the brush guard bumper. 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 10-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Check out the still pictures of this beauty, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. This would have came with the 17-inch black aluminum beadlock wheels, Toyo RT open country radials. Look at the meat on these things. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Some nice beefy running boards. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood too. If you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. This does also have the high package, the 12-inch LCD touchscreen with 360-degree camera. I mentioned that Sasquatch package. It also has the front and rear axle locking diffs. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear mounted spare, as you can see. Black soft top. And we did do a little maneuvering as far as the folding and showing you how that works and some of the still pictures. So definitely take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like specialty vehicles, classic vehicles, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can also see paint on the driver's side. Nice shine, reflection, cars behind me. And again, antimatter blue metallic. You have the split folding rear seat. Of course, I mentioned earlier the gray and navy cloth two-tone. And yes, interiors in as nice a shape as the exterior. Door panels. Of course, you're going to have your modern amenities, your power locks, windows, tilt, cruise, air, all of that. You'll be able to see a copy of the window sticker. I believe it may even be the original window sticker in with the still pictures. So you can see exactly how this is equipped. I named off some of the options that were added, but take a look at that window sticker to see your standard equipment. Push button start. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles, 13,489. Close that door. There's no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. There's that 12-inch screen. And again, 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6. Of course, you'll dual electronic climate controls. No surprises on the inside. Slip around the back here so you can hear it run. We'll take a quick peek underneath the hood too before we have Jason take it for a drive. You can also see a receiver hitch on the rear if you want to do any towing with it. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open so we can take a peek at the engine. There's the hood propped open. Hood liner, Nice and clean. I don't think this thing's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Judging by condition and how clean it is, take a look at the underside. You see what I'm saying? Engine bay. I think it's been a pretty much on-road, fair-weather vehicle. Why not? So one owner, clean Carfax, a little over 13,000 miles is all. 2021 Ford Bronco Outer Banks Series with the Sasquatch package. Phone number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2021 Ford Bronco with the perfect stance, honestly. Looking at this truck, the tire choice, the stance, the width, it all throws me back to the 60s Broncos, and it looks really good. Of course, this practically brand new with all the modern amenities. Excellent acceleration. I know you're about to sing that song. Stereo sounds great. Road feel really good. Modern 4x4 where the road feels much more gentle than those old solid axle, harsh riding 4x4s. Yet you have even better capability. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. LCD screen giving me all kinds of great information on the screen. And that looks like a real needle. We've got a real speedometer needle. If you're a fan of that, which I am, you get that as well. Brakes feel great. Corners very nicely. Of course, in Bronco fashion, we have a top that opens up and you can run this topless. That looks like another one of our cars up front. What can I say? It's practically a new Bronco. It feels like one, and it's very fun to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this Bronco at UniqueClassicCars.com.